I spent the last week buried in hours of long-form content to see exactly how far we can push AI video editing tools. I tested every single workflow and setting to find the absolute fastest way to turn one long video into a steady stream of high-performing clips. In this guide, I'm sharing the secret to using Vizard so you can start pumping out viral-ready content in mere minutes, not hours. I'm also going to show you a killer trick for batch posting and managing a full content calendar without losing your mind. At its core, Vizard is an AI tool designed to automatically slice long-form footage into short, attention-grabbing pieces. It's way more than just a cutter. It identifies the moments that actually matter, like the jokes, the punchlines, and the big reveals. Beyond finding clips, it helps you manage the entire publishing process so you aren't stuck exporting 50 different files. Most creators burn out by manually wrestling with heavy software like Premiere or CapCut for hours on end. Vizard automates the real pain points, handling formatting, captioning, and even your posting cadence. It is built specifically for creators who need that professional, high-output feel without hiring a full-time video production team. Let's jump into the workflow, starting right at the dashboard, where you'll upload everything from webinars to long podcast episodes. Once the file hits the platform, Vizard runs a quick analysis to detect laughter, applause, and major topic shifts. You can use simple, natural language prompts like extract short highlights for TikTok to get exactly what you need. I asked it to find specific marketing tactics from a guest, and it pulled the exact segments, cleaned the audio, and auto-added captions. One of the best features is automatic aspect ratio conversion for different platforms. It intelligently reframes the footage so your subject stays perfectly centered, whether you're outputting for Instagram or YouTube Shorts. For product videos, you can mix your demo footage with extra B-roll to create high-end highlight reels without needing a studio. Vizard stitches everything together seamlessly, making even simple homemade demos look premium and conversion-focused. Fashion creators can use it to turn simple interview footage into a lookbook-style video with dramatic pans and cuts. It preserves the rhythm of your footage and keeps the fabric motion looking natural and high quality. The real magic happens when you pair this with the platform's built-in content calendar feature. Just set your posting cadence once and the tool will handle the scheduling for you, keeping your brand visible without manual work. You also get full editing controls in the browser to tweak your clips, add logos, or adjust the pacing exactly as you like. If you need premium resolution for an ad, you can export in Pro mode to ensure everything looks crystal clear. Unlike competitors that rely on generic captions or awkward jump cuts, Vizard is built to genuinely understand creator workflows. It sits in the perfect sweet spot. It's as powerful as a professional studio, but as easy to use as a mobile app. My biggest pro tip: always upload supplementary B-roll footage to expand your creative options during the analysis phase. Also, be very explicit in your prompts because differentiating between a hook-focused clip and an educational short changes how Vizard edits. Finally, use batch processing to upload multiple live streams. Let the AI work overnight and wake up to a full library of content. If you want to stop the grind of manual editing and turn your long videos into a content factory, Vizard is the right choice. It won't replace your creative vision, but it will dramatically reduce the bottleneck of getting that vision out to the world. Check the link in the description to try this exact workflow and see just how many viral-ready clips you can pull in minutes. I am testing new edge cases every day, so make sure to hit subscribe if you want to steal my latest content templates.